So welcome to all of you Shiksha 360, and today we will discuss the case study. Clear? Today we will discuss the case study which already provided you in your Telegram group. Clear? And first of all, we will discuss the case study on foreign exchange. Clear? Today we will discuss two case studies, and first case study which we have to discuss today. First case study is on foreign exchange. Clear? Foreign exchange. Basically, in your examination in the September 2020 examination, clear, of BFM. Three case studies, clear, three case studies. Basically, we can say that 15 marks exam. 15 marks exam from your first chapter, clear, from your first or second chapter. Basically, they will ask 15 marks exam, clear. So we have to practice more on this, clear. And that's why we will provide you 6 to 7 case studies. Till now, we'll provide you more case studies. So let's discuss this case studies. Here's what they are mentioning. Basically, this case study is based on the interbank rate US dollar. Clear? This case study is simply based on the interbank rate US dollar. So here they have given spot rate. Spot rate is equal to 1 USD is equal to 48.6000 or 6075. It means that 48.6075. Next one is 1 month. This one is basically they are mentioning only these 4 digits. Clear? These 4. After the decimal they are mentioning here. Clear? It is understandable. Clear? Next one is 2 month. This one, 3 month. This one. Clear? Basically 2 month forward, 3 month forward. These are basically forward rates. 4 month. Clear? This is 1 month, this is 2 month, this is 3 month, this is 4 month, this is 5 month, and this is 6 month. Clear? And very, very important point, here transit period is 25 days. Clear? Here transit period is 25 days. Clear? And I request to also, if you are not able to understand these points, so please watch the video, clear, in which we have discussed these concepts. Clear? In which we have discussed these concepts. Basically, we will take 2 sessions for discussion of these concepts. Here, transit period is 25 days, and all forward rates. All forward rates. Here, all forward rates for fixed delivery exchange margin. Clear? All forward rates for fixed delivery exchange margin is 0.10%. Clear? Is 0.10%. And you have to remember that basically for the buying, in the case of buying, margin is to be subtracted, and in the case of selling, margin is to be added. Clear? In the case of buying, margin is to be subtracted, and in the case of selling, margin is to be added. Clear? So first question here, it says that from the given information, you are required to calculate the bill buying rate. Clear? Ready? Bill buying rate. Clear? From the given information, you are required to calculate ready bill buying rate. Clear? Before moving towards the question, here basically we have 2 points. First one is bill buying, TT buying rate. Clear? TT buying rate. TT buying rate is simply spot rate minus exchange margin. Clear? TT buying rate is simply spot rate minus exchange margin. And second one is, which they are asking here, is bill buying rate. Bill buying rate. So what is the formula of bill buying rate? You just have to remember what is the formula of the bill buying rate. Bill buying rate is equal to spot rate plus forward premium, or if there is a discount, then minus forward discount, plus basically minus exchange margin. Clear? Minus exchange margin. Clear? So here what they are asking in this question, what they were asking basically, this is asking directly straightforward question. Clear? They are asking directly straightforward question. What is the ready bill buying rate? Clear? What is the ready bill buying rate? Clear? Ready bill buying rate. So they are not asking any point. So we will ready bill buying rate basically means that TT buying rate. Ready bill buying rate, we will referring to the TT buying rate. So what is the spot rate for the buying rate? It is to be 40 spot rate. It is to be rupees 48.6 triple 0. And what is the margin? Margin is basically 0.10%. So what is 0.10% of this one? It is basically 0.048600. This is 10%. So what is the ready bill buying rate? Ready bill buying rate. So simply subtract 48.6000 minus 0.048600. Clear? This is simply subtraction. So when we are doing the subtraction, what we will get is 48.55140. Clear? We will get 48.55140. But here one question arises now. This option is not available. Clear? As we have four options: 48.5525, 48.6000, 49 this one, and 49 this one. Clear? And when we have covered this concept in the class, we have already discussed one point in the form of note. Here, basically, what they have mentioned that rounded off, we have to round it off to the nearest multiple of 0.25. Clear? To the nearest multiple of 0.25. Clear? We have to round it off this one basically to the nearest multiple of 0.25. Clear? To the nearest multiple of 0.25. Clear? And I request to all of you, please side by side solve this question and also comment your answers. Clear? Before my answer. So here 48.55140. So when we are going to round off, either we will write it as 48. So we have now two options for the answer. Either 48.55150 or 48.5515525. Clear? This is not, this one is because, and up to 4 decimal places. Clear? Either we have basically 14. So it is nearest to the 25. Clear? It is nearest to the 25. Clear? So this is not, we have going to 48.5514. It is rounded off, it's to 48.5525. Clear? So our option is option number A. This is the answer. Clear? This is the answer. Clear? So in this way, you have to answer the questions. Clear? In this way, you have to answer the questions. Next question is, and for all the case studies and for all the study material, you have to visit our Telegram group or you have to mail on our email ID so that we can enroll you in all the classes for whatever you are subscribing, either for the ABM, BFM or retail. Clear? And whatever we have provided you, basically we will provide you the Zoom live session, PDF and PPT of the session, handwritten notes wherever requirement, or the formula notes, MCQ, case studies and numericals, and recorded sessions. Clear? Whatever we have discussed in the live session, we have provided you in the recorded form, and many previous year questions we have also provided you in this course. Clear? So thanks to all of you for watching this video, and please join our Telegram group. Link of the Telegram group is available in the description of the video.